guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I finally got my BOXYCHARM. I've been waiting for this for like the past 5 days and I'm ready to open it. So I'm going to open it up. Ta-da! And it doesn't come with a card. They actually already sent me a virtual card, and they sent me the card via email because it's better for the environment, I guess. So here it is. It is the BOXYCHARM Adore box. This is what the card looks like, and it says Adore. Okay, so let's begin. Here are all of my products. So I'm going to begin with the first product here, and it is the Evio Skin and Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes, and it's these right here. The packaging is super cute. I've never tried face wipes from this brand, so I'm super excited to try these, but I wish they would have sent something else besides makeup wipes, but I mean, that's okay, I guess. So these Evio Beauty Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes retail for $10.
Boo! I'm just kidding.
That's that. So the next product that I have in this box, it is from First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And it's these right here. I've only tried a few products from First Aid Beauty and I really like this, so I'm super excited to try these out. And I'll probably try these out tonight because my face is getting like dry and super oily. I don't know, it's weird, and my skin is starting to peel off, so hopefully this helps. Let's see, this First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads retail for $16. Now the next product here, it is by Ciate London Everyday Bouquet, and it is a coconut setting powder. This is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute, and it is a cruelty-free product. I can't open this, you guys. There you go. Took me forever to open it. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. Look at that. So pretty. So I'm super excited for this. So this is a translucent powder and it has 0.52 ounces, if you guys were wondering. So I'm super excited to try this out, but I will not open it right now because I am working on 2 different powders right now. So once I'm done with those, I'll go straight to this one. Okay, this Ciate London Everyday Bouquet Coconut Setting Powder retails for $22. Now, the next product that I'm super excited about, it is a Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Driftwood, and it's this one right here. I've never tried a Becca foundation, so I'm super excited that BOXYCHARM decided to send out foundations for this month, and I got the shade Driftwood, so hopefully it is my correct shade. Ta-da! So this is a pretty big size and I'm super happy that I get to try it out. I love the packaging, it's super cute, and it just says Ultimate Coverage right there. It kind of looks yellow on camera, but I feel like it's my right shade, and it is a pump, as you guys can see. So I'm super excited for this. Here, I'm going to be swatching this foundation and my regular foundation on my hand to see the differences, and hopefully they match. Okay, before I do the swatch on my hand, I'm going to read off what the card says about this foundation. It says that it is a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish, and this Becca foundation retails for $44. The most expensive foundation that I've bought is probably like a $12 one from the drugstore, but anyways, this is the one that I wear normally, and this is the Becca. So they kind of look the same. This one has more of a yellow tone and this one is like a pink tone, I believe. So this is going to be the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm going to shake this up. Okay, so obviously the L'Oreal one is more watery and this one is like not that watery. Okay, so I'm going to blend in the L'Oreal one. I mean, I'm not gonna blend it in, just like expand it, I guess. And now I'm going to do the same with the other one. And there you go. Whoa, that is a big difference. I mean, on my hand you can't really tell actually. I don't know if you guys could tell. This over here is the Becca foundation and over here is the L'Oreal foundation. But I do have a Revlon foundation that looks similar to this foundation. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm like almost out of this one, so I'm going to swatch this one on my hand as well. And so let's see. Okay, so apparently I don't know how to choose a foundation because all 3 shades are different. So this one's like a pink tone, this one's like a yellow tone, and this one's like a brown tone, or I don't know. I think it's like a pink tone as well. Anyways, it's in between, and I think it should match me. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's a close match to my other foundations? I feel like it is. And the Becca foundation looks like it's super full coverage because you could barely see my veins, and I have really dark green veins or bright green veins, and I covered them, so that's pretty cool. Super excited for that. So this is definitely one of my favorite products so far. Now on to the last product. Okay, now on to the last product, and I got some Alamar brushes, and I'm super excited because I love Alamar brushes. They're super good. So this is what they look like. They're like a copper shade, I think it is. They're super pretty, and I like how they feel. So I'm going to get them naked so I could show you guys. So I'm super excited for these brushes. So I'm guessing this one is for the foundation. And right here on the brush it says Alamar. It's super pretty, and look at the brush. I like the texture, or like the design of it. It's super pretty. It kind of looks like a flower. Oh, okay, so this one says that it is a bronzer brush. It says right there. But I kind of like it for like foundation, but I don't know, we'll see. And this would have been helpful for the video that I did like a few days ago where I needed to use a brush for the bronzer. So, but anyway, super cute. Now this brush right here, it is a complexion brush. So this is the foundation brush, I guess. And it says right there, it's backwards. It's right there, and it's super pretty. It's like an angled flat brush. There's like a hair sticking out. Let's see. It doesn't want to come off.
It's like that stubborn hair that you have in your chin. I'm just kidding, I don't know.
But they feel super soft. And then I got this one right here. It's super pretty. And this one is a brightening brush. So I guess I could use this for highlighter. I'm super excited for these brushes, and I just love my box this month. I am super happy with it. These Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio retail for $36. I feel like that's pricey for brushes, but I'm super happy that I got in my BOXYCHARM. Anyways, that is everything that I received in my BOXYCHARM. Let me know in the comments below if you guys also got the same box as me, or what products did you guys get. I got variation number 48. I don't know if you guys can see right there. So anyways, let me know in the comments below. Do you guys have BOXYCHARM? Do you guys want to get it? Do you guys think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments. And well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.